Good morning, students, and welcome to our first geography class. When we say morning, we refer to a particular phase of the day. Morning is the period from sunrise till noon. According to the sun's positions in the sky, the day is divided into different parts: sunrise, noon, sunset, and midnight. We do different activities throughout the day. So we need to decide the time for all our activities like waking up, taking a bath, going to school, playing and going to sleep. In olden days, people used to measure time using an hourglass, a ghatika patra or a water clock. How do we calculate the time? In our first lesson, local time and standard time, we are going to study the calculation of time. So let's recall some interesting facts that you have studied in the previous classes. The earth rotates from west to east, thus we experience the sunrise in the east. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. The part of the earth facing the sun experiences day, while the part away from the sun experiences night. When the sun is directly overhead, that time is called noon. The noon time is the same at any given longitude across the earth. Example: all places located on 30° east longitude will have noon at one and the same time, except the polar regions. The time decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as local time. Different longitudes have different local times. The eastern meridians of longitudes first experience the sunlight and then the western. Read the given text carefully. The local time is calculated with reference to the time at prime meridian or the 0-degree meridian. It is also known as Greenwich Mean Time. As we move towards the east of the prime meridian, the local time increases by 4 minutes for every longitude. Let's understand the given example. In this example, the local time at Greenwich is given to be 12 noon, and we are supposed to find the local time at a place at 60° east longitude. By calculating the time, we get the answer 4 hours. As this place lies towards the east of the prime meridian, the time is ahead. That means these 4 hours are in the afternoon. It is 4 pm. There are 29 meridians passing through India. So, what will be the difference between the local time of the easternmost place and the westernmost place? Now, there will be 29 different local times in India, which will create a lot. Therefore, the solution to this problem is having a standard time. In the next session, we will study the standard time. You will read the lesson till page number 5, first paragraph, and write the. Thank you. Have a nice day.